Hey guys, Robert Knoll with RNR Environmental. Here are the two test tubes you received. One has our RNR clay-based flocculant. All you need to do is take a little bit of that, sprinkle it into your raw wastewater that you have added to the test tube, shake it up, and see what you get. If your results aren't this quick, just shake it some more until the product makes its way through all of the water. Depending on your raw wastewater and the TDS and the TSS and the heavy metals that might be there, it may take a little bit longer. Continue until you receive some kind of break in the water. Then take a coffee filter or a tea filter in this case. You can pour it through into a cup or into anything. In this case, I'm just going to pour it right out through the filter into a glass container so that you can see how clear the water is. If you don't get any results at all and the water doesn't break, please contact us because we do have 50 blends. However, this is our workhorse blend. If you typically pH adjust your water, you can try that now. But please try it without the pH adjustment as well. We provide this product for many customers just like you, so please give us a call, let us know what we can do. Let's move forward in a little time here, and let's add some ZORBZALL, RNR ZORBZALL Super Absorbent. It is currently the most absorbent available at the best price. Look how small amount we're putting in. I'll agitate it a little bit, and you can see how quickly it will absorb and solidify the wastewater. Now, of course, this wastewater would probably be discharged, but you might have sludge or slurry that you might want to absorb or solidify at your plant or facility. Give us a call for any of your needs regarding any of this.